Hello and welcome. Today we're focusing on your elbows, a joint that gets sore from activities such as typing, lifting, or daily strain. By restoring mobility in your elbows, we keep your arms pain-free to enjoy the things you love doing, from typing, lifting, or hugging. So whenever you're ready, let's begin. Let's start in a cross-legged position in Sukhasana here. Find a comfortable seated position. Place your palms on your knees. Lift your chest high, spine is straight, chin parallel to the ground. Close your eyes. And start to gently bring your attention to your breath. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Inhale. Exhale. Remain here, carry on with this breath pattern. Inhale deeply and smoothly. Exhale slowly and complete. Carry on just like this. And let's start to bring some gentle movements in our elbows. So all we're doing is bending and extending the elbows. And just notice here, notice if you're carrying any tension in your elbows, in your arms. Just observe it for now. A couple of more breaths here. And whenever you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Good. Now extend your arms up, interlace the fingers, extend your arms as much as possible. Breathe in. Exhale. Inhale, raise your palms up, open the chest, look up if possible. Exhale, one more breath here. Exhale, good. Maintain the fingers interlaced and start by rotating your wrists. We're just warming up the wrists here. Maybe make the movement wider, bring the elbows into motion. Bring the shoulders. Just do any organic movement that feels good right now. One more breath. And then slowly shake it off. And now let's extend one arm across the body. Catch the upper arm. Just feel this stretch. Keep your elbows extended but not locked in here. One more breath here. Release and let's go the other way. Extend the left arm. One more breath. Very slowly come back, shake it off. And now let's extend the right arm up, palm facing up, fingers up towards the sky. Press the left hand into the fingers to create a bit of tension and stay here for 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Now reverse the palms so that fingers face down, palms towards the exterior, and now press the fingers again into the left hand. 3 breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Shake it off. And let's go the other way. So now extend the left arm. Press the left fingers into the left palm, creating a bit of tension here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And one more. Inhale. Exhale. Good. And now reverse the palm, fingers towards the ground. Press the fingers into the right palm. 3 breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 2. Exhale. Inhale for 3. Exhale. Good. Release your hands. Shake your wrists, shake your elbows, your shoulders. And let's come onto our palms and knees. And all we're going to do here is just gently rock forward and backwards. If this doesn't present any tension, try to open the palms so the fingers face the long edge of the mat and carry on with this movement. If you feel you can do a bit more than this, maybe rotate your palms so that the fingers are facing your knees and just gently rock forward and backward. 2 more breaths here. Very slowly come back, lift onto your toes, raise your arms up and make gentle fists with your palms and just feel this release here. Good. Shake it off. Come back onto your palms and knees. Send one leg back, the other leg back. Bend the knees. Place the knees on the mat. This is always an option. And come onto your forearms. So from here, all we're going to do is gently lift the forearms off the mat, reversing the palms. And then slowly coming back. If this is this doesn't present a challenge for you today, maybe come into a low plank and carry on with that movement. We're doing this 5 more times. And one more. And then stop at the center. Stay here for 3 breaths. Two more. One more. Then slowly lower the knees onto the mat. Open the knees wide as the mat. Extend the arms and come into a child's pose. You have the option to stay here or maybe bend the elbows and place the palms on the back of your head. 2 more breaths here. One more. Very slowly come up, come onto your palms and knees. And from here, we're going to work with our scapula. So we're maintaining the arms extended. The elbows are extended but not locked in this position. And inhale, put your chest through the palms. Look up. Exhale without bending the elbows, but round your upper back. Inhale, chest down, look up. Exhale, round your upper back. Inhale, exhale. So all you're doing in this pose is protracting and retracting your scapula. And you should feel this movement in your upper back in between your shoulder blades. 2 more. And 1 more. Now extend the legs back, come into a plank. Again, you always have the option to lower the knees on the mat, and we will do exactly the same thing for 5 breaths. And 1 more. And lower the knees, find child's pose once more. And just relax here, extend your arms. And relax. One more breath here. Slowly come up. And let's find downward facing dog. Shift the hips back and up and find downward facing dog. Start to pedal your feet, shake your head. Do any movement that you find organic. Feel your arms in this position. Feel your elbows, your shoulders. Maintain the fingers spread on the mat. Head is heavy, face and neck relaxed. And stop at the center. Stay here for 2 breaths, just finding your center. Inhale, come forward into a plank. Lower the knees, bend the elbows for a modification chaturanga. Inhale, extend the elbows, shift the pelvis back and come into downward facing dog. And we're going to do this 5 more times. Inhale, come forward into plank. You always have the option to lower the knees. Exhale, bend the elbows. Inhale, extend and pelvis back. Inhale, come forward. Exhale, bend elbows to the body. Inhale up. Exhale, downward facing dog. And for the last 2, let's add an upward facing dog as well. Inhale, come forward. Exhale, bend the elbows. Inhale, slide your chest forward, gaze up, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And one more. You can do this, yeah? Inhale, come forward. Exhale, bend the elbows. Inhale, come up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Use this to reset. Breathe. One more breath. Slowly lower the knees to the mat and let's come into a hero's pose. Shake your arms. And then let's find a moment of stillness here. Just notice your shoulders. Notice how you're feeling. Let the breath be natural. We're not counting it anymore. If you have the time, you can go into a longer Shavasana. You can click on the Yoga Nidra video that I'm sharing on the screen. Thank you for choosing to practice with me today. I hope you've enjoyed this practice. Until next time, Namaste.